Stop scrolling if you own a business. One mistake by an employee can leak your customer database, financial records, or confidential files. Antivirus won't stop it. In this video, I'll show you a smarter and affordable way to secure your business. Don't miss the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Let me ask you a simple question. What is the most valuable asset in your business? Is it your office, your computers, your employees, or is it your business data? Think about your customer database, financial records, employee information, GST documents, contracts, quotations, designs, and confidential files. Now imagine losing all of that not because of a hacker, but because an employee accidentally copied files to a USB drive, uploaded them to cloud storage, or shared them through email. Unfortunately, this is happening every single day in businesses around the world. That's exactly why we built AsterGuard. AsterGuard is an all-in-one data loss prevention and endpoint security platform designed specifically for small and medium businesses. In this video, I'll show you what AsterGuard is, why it was built, and how it helps organizations protect their most valuable asset, their data. Let's get started. The problem. When most people think about cybersecurity, they immediately think about hackers. But in reality, many data breaches don't start with hackers. They start inside the organization. An employee copies confidential files to a USB drive. Someone uploads company documents to Google Drive. Another employee downloads unauthorized software from the internet. Someone takes screenshots of sensitive financial reports. An important business file gets deleted, or confidential customer information is shared through personal email. None of these actions require sophisticated hacking. Yet, they can cause enormous financial and reputational damage. That's why modern cybersecurity isn't just about stopping malware. It's about protecting your business data at every step. What is AsterGuard? AsterGuard is a centralized security platform that gives organizations complete visibility and control over their endpoints. A lightweight agent is installed on every company computer. Every device communicates securely with a cloud-based management dashboard. From one dashboard, administrators can create security policies, monitor devices, generate reports, and protect business data across the entire organization. Whether you manage 5 computers or 500, everything is controlled from one place. And the best part? Every feature in AsterGuard is highly customizable to match your organization's security policies. Feature 1. USB device control. Let's start with one of the biggest risks in every organization. USB devices. With AsterGuard, you can completely block USB storage devices, allow only company-approved USB drives, enable read-only access, or create different policies for different employees or departments. This helps prevent unauthorized copying of confidential business data. Feature 2. Screenshot protection. Sensitive information doesn't always leave through files. Sometimes it leaves through screenshots. AsterGuard allows businesses to block screenshots of confidential information based on company policy, reducing the risk of sensitive data being shared outside the organization. Feature 3. Upload control. Cloud storage makes collaboration easy, but it also creates security risks. AsterGuard can prevent employees from uploading confidential business files to unauthorized websites or cloud platforms such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, depending on your security policy. Feature 4. Download control. Downloading software from unknown websites is one of the most common causes of malware infections. AsterGuard gives organizations the ability to control downloads, restrict risky file types, and reduce exposure to malicious software. Feature 5. Deleted file recovery. Sometimes important files are deleted accidentally. Sometimes they're deleted intentionally. AsterGuard provides recoverable delete capabilities, helping organizations restore important business files when needed. Feature 6. Sensitive data protection. This is one of the most powerful capabilities of AsterGuard. The platform can identify sensitive information such as Aadhaar numbers, PAN numbers, passport numbers, bank account numbers, credit card numbers, company-specific confidential keywords. If someone attempts to copy, upload, transfer, or share the sensitive information, AsterGuard can detect it and automatically apply the organization's security policy. Feature 7. Antivirus protection. AsterGuard also includes antivirus capabilities to help detect malware, viruses, and suspicious files. Administrators can monitor device protection status centrally without visiting every computer individually. Feature 8. Email security. Email remains one of the biggest entry points for cyber threats. AsterGuard helps organizations monitor email-related risks, suspicious attachments, malicious links, and other security concerns that may compromise business data. Feature 9. Employee Timeline. Ever wondered how company computers are actually being used? AsterGuard provides a complete timeline showing which applications employees use throughout the day and how much time they spend on each one. Whether it's Microsoft Excel, Chrome, Tally, Visual Studio, SAP, or any other application, everything is recorded for visibility and analysis. Feature 10. Employee Productivity. Monitoring alone isn't enough. AsterGuard converts activity into meaningful productivity insights. Organizations can review productive hours, idle time, application usage patterns, and overall work efficiency, helping managers make informed business decisions. Feature 11. Remote Session. Sometimes, IT teams need to provide remote support. Instead of visiting every employee's desk, administrators can securely connect to authorized devices through remote sessions. This allows faster troubleshooting, reduced downtime, and improved support while maintaining proper authorization and security controls. Feature 12. Hardware Asset Management. Managing company hardware manually can be difficult. AsterGuard automatically maintains an inventory of hardware information, including processors, RAM, storage, serial numbers, connected devices, and hardware changes. Everything is available from a centralized dashboard. Feature 13. Software Asset Management. Knowing what software is installed across your organization is equally important. AsterGuard provides software inventory, identifies unauthorized applications, tracks installed software, and helps organizations maintain better compliance and software governance. Reports and analytics. Security is only effective when you have visibility. AsterGuard provides detailed reports for almost every activity, including USB usage, blocked screenshots, upload attempts, download activity, employee productivity, hardware inventory, software inventory, policy violations, alerts, and much more. These reports help organizations make informed security decisions instead of relying on assumptions. Device access requests. Sometimes employees genuinely need temporary access to restricted devices. Instead of permanently changing security policies, AsterGuard allows employees to submit access requests directly through the platform. Administrators can approve or reject requests with a single click, ensuring flexibility without compromising security. Conclusion: as you've seen, AsterGuard is much more than a USB blocker or an antivirus. It's a complete endpoint security and data protection platform built specifically for modern businesses. From USB control and screenshot protection to sensitive data monitoring, employee productivity, asset management, reporting, and centralized policy management, AsterGuard brings everything together in one powerful yet easy to use solution. In the coming videos, we'll explore every feature in detail with live demonstrations, real-world use cases, configuration guides, and best practices. So if you don't want to miss those videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see AsterGuard in action, book a free demo using the link in the description or contact us directly. Thank you for watching. I'm Shubham from AsterGuard. Until next time, protect data, grow business,